Hi viewers, do you wonder how to convert a chatbot into the lead generation magnet? So here is the demo we try to see in this video. Before that, if you are new to our channel, you can see this is the playlist we have been there. Low or no code automation by using n8n. So we have done session 1, session 2, session 3 and session 4, and we are there in Alex text projects. If you are new to, please follow this playlist and follow the channel. Now let us dive into the video. Now we are at the new workflow. So you are seeing my screen. Now I am click over here, open the notes panel. Chart message trigger, chart trigger, select when chart message is received. This is the node. Plus I am clicking AI agent. This will take 3 inputs. One is chart model, memory and tool. Under the chart model I am selecting the open AI chart model, and from the list of the model GPT-4o mini and credential I am providing, that is nothing but the API, and which is connected to the chart model. Under the memory I am selecting the simple memory. You can see it on my screen. Context window length is 5 and which is connected to the memory. The very important thing will be the tool. The tool is nothing but the Gmail. This is the Gmail tool. Credential to connect with, you can go with as in a new credential, and you can sign up with a Google, and it will try to automatically open all the accounts of your Gmail. So I have selected the Alex embedded projects at gmail.com. Now click this one and authenticate. Now I already done. Going back to here, you can see Gmail authentication too. And this is the tool description, set manually, and here I am taking over here. You can see call this tool with a name and phone number. Set manually, call the description I am giving, call this tool with a name, mobile / phone number, and resource is the message, operation is the send. To whom do you need to the selected email, you can give it Alex embedded projects at gmail.com. This is subject I am giving as a new lead request, and you can see email type is HTML and message. You can see under the message expression are fixed. You can click this one, and defined automatically by the model. The message is defined automatically by the model. So these things you need to provide in order to send a lead generation to your Gmail account. So these are the things that is required. Now I am moving on to the AI agent. So we need to give the behavior and the properties of this agent. Enter into the system message. Now I am moving on to here, your helpful assistant for AI ML DL DS training and placement chatbot. Your primary goal is assess the users in their queries, provide them with helpful information, and collect their name, phone number to generate the lead. This lead is automatically sent via Gmail using n8n. The rest of the things you can find it. I am taking these things and copy paste to our AI agent system message. That's all. Now I am moving little bit head and save it. Now open the chart. Now I am giving hi. So hello again Jack, how can I assist today? Hi, I am Anil. I want to know about ML. Are you looking for a training program? No, I am looking for placement. Thanks for clarifying, Anil. You are interested in placement. Can you provide me with your phone number so that our team can follow up with you? My number I am giving 9988776655. Thank you, Anil. I have received your phone number and sent your details to our team. Someone will reach out to you shortly regarding placement opportunities. Now it is the time I am entering into my Gmail. You can see the inbox and there is called new lead request. You can see lead info, name is Anil, phone number, and interested in a placement assistance. Like this you can generate the lead, those who came to your website, chatted with your chatbot and ask some few questions. After that one, the chatbot itself will get the user information. Now it is the time I am opening this one. You can see when chat message is received, make it as a public and host a chat. Hi there, my name is Nathan. My name is Ratan. And how can I assist today? So now I am selecting this one. You can click over here and come to, just a minute, and make it as an active. Got it. And clear this one, hide the chart. Now I am opening new window and click the chart URL and you can see, hi, my name is Ratan, how can I assist today? Hi, my name is Kiran. I am from Bangalore. I am interested in AI. Could you please provide me your phone number? My number, you can see 7788996655. Thank you, Kiran. I have noted your interest in AI. Your contact number. Someone from our team will reach out you shortly. So now I am entering into my Gmail again. You can see new lead request. You can see the name is Kiran and phone number interested in AI. Now I am entering here. You can see Kiran from Bangalore interested in AI and his contact number. So like this we can generate the leads. Now you can take this URL and paste it in your website that we have seen in the session 2. Please practice this session. If you have any doubts, refer to our session 1, session 2, session 3 and session 4. And for more interesting updates, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Please follow this playlist and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment section. I will get back to you. And please do practice along with me by opening the n8n, which is nothing but the 14 days free. We can access the n8n. We try to see with other tools, WhatsApp and Google Drive, and we try to meet in the next video. Until then, bye, take care.